Lab 100, Quiz Mode. Quiz is a great opportunity for teachers to engage their class, to gain immediate feedback of the students' understanding, and to also have a little bit of fun. Setting up a quiz session can be very easy. First, we select New Session. Select all the students you'd like to be in this session. I'm going to select all remaining. From the drop-down menu, select the quiz activity. And the audio source for this game is going to be the teacher's microphone. I'm going to ask the questions of the students and ask them to give me the answers. What I'm going to do now is click Session Call, and now I'm speaking directly to the students to give them instructions as to what's going on. For the purposes of these instructions, I'm going to play a true-false quiz with the students, and I'm going to be asking them some questions. Once I've completed giving the instructions, I click Session Call again, and now we're ready to start. So, by fixing the time, I'm going to give them 5 seconds to answer these quiz questions by clicking in this box. Let's ask the first question. Helsinki is the capital of Finland. True or false? Once I've asked the question, I'm now going to give the students the 5 seconds to start answering. Okay. Since the time was fixed, this has stopped automatically for me, but if I'd left it as manual or unfixed, I would have had to press the stop button. So, what we can see now is immediately that the students have given 3 correct responses, or 75% of them feel that Helsinki is the capital of Finland, and only 25% of them think it's false. For later purposes, what I need to do is I need to select the correct answer and save this. Okay, now we're ready to ask the next question. Stockholm is the capital of Norway. Again, we're going to press Start and open up the time for the students to answer. Okay, our 5 seconds are up. We can now see that 75% of them have answered false. What I need to do now is identify the actual correct response, which is false. And once we've finished the exercise and asked all the questions, we simply click End the exercise. What we see now is a report, so we can see that John has answered everything 100% correct all of the time. For example, Wendy has answered all of them incorrectly, therefore she has 0%. If we want to print this exercise report, we can do so by clicking the Print button, or we can save it for later. At this stage I'm just going to close this, and now I'm going to exit the session.